Hey everybody, welcome to our guide on gym etiquette. Welcome to the gym, the land of sweat, iron, and sometimes questionable smells. It's a place where we come to push our limits, build strength, and maybe even make a few friends along the way. We're here to pump ourselves up, not to pump each other up, right? But sometimes the line between motivation and irritation can get a little blurry. So let's talk about gym etiquette, those unspoken rules that keep this sweaty symphony from descending into chaos. These guidelines help ensure that everyone has a positive and productive workout experience, because let's be honest, nobody wants to be that person, the one who everyone dreads seeing walk through the door, the one everyone avoids like the plague, the one who seems to have missed the memo on basic gym manners. We've all seen them, haven't we? The ones who hog the equipment, or worse, don't clean up after themselves. The ones who leave a trail of sweat angels on every machine they touch. It's not just gross, it's inconsiderate, or the ones blasting death metal through their headphones, oblivious to the fact that everyone else is trying to meditate to Enya. It's all about being mindful of those around you. But hey, we're all in this together, right? The gym is a community, and like any community, it thrives on mutual respect and consideration. So let's spread the love, and the hand sanitizer, and make the gym a more pleasant place for everyone. By following these simple etiquette rules, we can all enjoy a better, more harmonious workout environment. First up, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the sweaty beast on the bench press. It's a common sight, but one that can easily be avoided with a little bit of courtesy. If you sweat at the gym, congratulations. You're actually working out. That means you're pushing yourself, and that's fantastic. But remember, your sweat is your own business. But please, for the love of all that is good and holy, wipe down the equipment after you use it. No one wants to sit in a puddle of your hard work. A quick wipe with a towel or disinfectant spray goes a long way. And while we're on the subject of hygiene, let's talk about phones. They're everywhere, and we get it. They're a part of our lives. We get it. Your biceps look amazing in that selfie. You've worked hard for those gains, and you deserve to show them off. But hogging the machine while you scroll through Instagram? Not cool, dude. Other people are waiting to use that equipment, so be mindful of your time. Speaking of not cool, let's talk about music. We all have our own taste, and that's great. Music can be a huge motivator during a workout, but nobody wants to hear your death metal blasting through the entire gym. It's distracting and can be really annoying for others. Headphones, people. They're a beautiful thing. They allow you to enjoy your music without imposing it on everyone else. So plug in, tune out, and let everyone have a great workout. Now let's move on to the fine art of sharing gym equipment. It's like kindergarten all over again, but with much heavier objects. The rule of thumb is simple. Don't hog the equipment ever. If you're doing sets, be mindful of others who might be waiting their turn. And please don't leave your weights lying around like a minefield of iron. Remember, the gym is a shared space for everyone. Let's treat it with respect and share the love and the equipment. Last but not least, let's talk about the locker room. It's a space we all share, and it's important to maintain a certain level of cleanliness and respect. It's the place where we transform from sweaty messes back into civilized human beings. After a tough workout, this is where we freshen up and get ready to face the world again, so let's try to keep it as civilized as possible, shall we? This means being mindful of our surroundings and considerate of others. That means putting your dirty clothes in the hamper, not just leaving them on the floor. A clean floor makes a big difference. It also means not scattering your belongings everywhere. Keep your items organized and in your designated space. It means wiping down the counters after you use them. A quick wipe can prevent the spread of germs and keep the area pleasant for everyone. And it means respecting personal space. Give others room to change and move around comfortably. Remember, the locker room is a place for everyone. We all deserve a clean and respectful environment. Let's keep it clean, tidy, and drama-free. A little effort from each of us goes a long way. Enjoyed this? Smash the like button and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content.